play Puppets Chapter 1. We are in Chapter 1, of course. Oh, there. Why is it called? Oh, there's a door. This door with nothing. Oh, what is this door? Oh my god, this is a bad place to start. Really bad. Someone is upstairs, and maybe this can go. Yeah. Hello. How are you doing? Let's go. Oh, we can go outside. Come on! Use this door. Come on. You have the key. Come on! Come on. Hi. Oh, hi. Come on, open this door. Come on. Chase. Chase. Please, put the door. Ah! Ammo! I should have gone here. Okay. What to do? What do you mean what to do? I don't even know what to do. Go upstairs, go upstairs. Oh, there's a plank. The plank. Good. Somebody got this plank. Okay. Is anything here? Oh, we need a wrench. But we don't even have the wrench. Oh, good thing. Hey, what do you got? You got the key. But where do we go? Let's go over here. Let's go down. Elmo is in here. Elmo, are you here? Elmo Puppets is... No, so scared. What? Let's go outside then. Open that door. You need gears. There's nothing though. Where do we get gears? I'm in the basement. I'm so scared. I'm gonna help you, Elmo. Where's Mo? Mo? That's a gun. Ah! I'm stuck! I'm stuck! Run, 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 run! Run to upstairs. Run, 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 run! Open this door! Go, 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 go! Whew. Whew. That was so scary. I got the gun, but there's no ammo. Here it is. The ammo. Get that. Get that. How do I stun him? It is from the United Kingdom. I have a gun. Maybe I can use it on... Oh no, I missed! I'm a bad player though. Okay, gonna go to this basement. If anything, then I can't go. Okay, this is over here. God. Oh! Oh no. But there is this key. Gonna. Please nobody find me here. Give me a hammer. But I don't know where. We have... Elmo, Elmo. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm stuck! Run, 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 you silly little chickens. Come on, let's go up, 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 up. Oh, yes. Thank you. Where did that go, though? Where did this key go? Let's go upstairs. Come on. Go here. Boss. Follow Yogi. You are the boss. Oh, I died from that. Oh, we're so close. That was part 1. Thanks for watching this video. Oh, respawn? We can respawn. I want this respawn. Thanks. There's a respawn. You can respawn. Hello. This is the greatest game. Then you can respawn. And if you want to respawn, just click down below. I don't even have anything. Ah! I'm not gonna come here yet. Come on. The killer has been sent for. Okay, I don't know where the killer is. Oh my god, the killer is right there. So we know we need a gear. And where is this? Wow, there's a lot of toilet paper. I am the country, and I'm still scared of animals. You see this hole? This is the scariest hole. Oh my god, that is the scariest picture. Oh my god, that's the garage. I'm gonna hide here then. Okay, guys, it wasn't me. I didn't say anything, Chase. I said. Hello, Mo. You think you're so good, huh? You want to kill me? Never. You can't kill me because I have my secret weapon. Hello, Mo. Oh, yes. You want? Oh, I should have. Ah! I'm gonna follow you because. Ah! Run. Okay, I'm going upstairs, and there you go. Finish their work. I'm gonna hide here, waiting for them. Alright. I'm gonna do anything. And I didn't do anything. I'm not even do anything to this video. I'm just here waiting the button to win. Oh, that was scary. Oh, he got the hammer. But I thought Mo was here. Oh yeah, we can go here. Wow, that's the ranch. We need the ranch, and I get that key. I know where they go. Let's go. Whew. Wait, why am I going here? Going right here. You go. Oh, that's the key. Where should we go? We're gonna go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Ah! Oh! My God. Mo! Come on. Ah! It's Mo. How can I win? We just need the white key. Today is the best one. We can win this. Come on. Friends, let's go. Where are you guys going? Is that Mo? Okay, that's been sunk. Okay, quick. I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna go. Go. I don't want to die. I'm just gonna open this door. Okay. Unlock door, and here's the gear. Come on. Quick. We need to go quick this time. This time we really need to go quick. We need to go quick on these gears. Because just 40 more seconds. Oh! Wait, that's a gear. Go. Oh, yes. Please. Don't tell me they already got... Oh, please don't tell me. They got the door open? Oh my God, Mo is here. He got the white key. I think. I'm gonna go upstairs. Just 17, 16, 15, 14. Oh, no. We don't need to die this time. The door is open! We play first time. Phew! Good thing I got out of there. Police, hands up, get on the ground. Now. See, better one. Check the one house rule. Yes. Wait, you got the wrong guy. First time ever, I'm going so good. I'm playing puppets, something like that. I'm doing so good. I'm so good. So thanks for watching this video and see you all next time on Puppets. Bye.